Velvet, what did you do? What did you do? You're a bad little bunny. I swear, I went downstairs to get something from the fridge for 2 seconds, and I hear something that sounded like somebody was bowling upstairs. I run back up, and I don't know what exactly she did, but it's definitely messier up here, but she left a good little mess last night, too. What's with that guilty face? Uh-oh. Got a toy now. Aw. Nice. Now where'd Sunshine go? Hmm? Oh, she's hiding in that carrier. I don't think you can see her, but I can see her through the little air holes. She's in there.